Hey investors, so there was a big sell off in the market last week, and whenever there is a big sell off, it's always a good time to look at the market and decide if it's a time to, average in, buy the dip, or to hold on and wait for further dips. So, a good indicator we can use is the Fear and Greed Index. So I'm looking at the Fear and Greed Index on the CNN Money website right now. This is for stocks. As you can see, the indicator is pointing towards fear now. We're not at extreme fear yet. So extreme fear would definitely be a better time to buy. But I would think that even at this level, I think it's a good time to start averaging down into positions. So let's take a look at the parts that make up the indicator in greater detail. So the first one is the put and call option. So it seems that people are buying more calls now. So that's actually an indicator for greed, as it says here. People are probably starting to see opportunities. Junk bond demand. So people are not demanding a very high spread in terms of junk bonds compared to investment grade bonds. So that also shows some greed. Stock price breadth. So this one doesn't seem to show anything one way or another very strongly, but it does seem to suggest that market volume is still a little high, although it has dipped a bit. Market volatility, that is quite high. The VIX is quite high, so that shows fear. Stock price index, well, a lot of stocks are near their 52-week lows, so that shows a lot of fear. That's gone down, you can see. Safe haven demand, so it seems that bonds are outperforming stocks right now, so that shows extreme fear. Market momentum, S&P 500 is it looks like it's below its 125-day moving average, so that shows extreme fear as well. The last one is a good reminder that the S&P 500 always goes up over time. So whenever you see a big dip, it is a good opportunity to buy, probably. Now let's turn around and look at the crypto fear and greed index. I did a separate video on the crypto fear and greed index some time ago. But anyway, right now here is showing extreme fear in the crypto market. Now I'll say that the crypto index is probably not as mature as the fear and greed index for stocks, because this index only relies on Bitcoin, I believe, and probably I think some of the indicators are not as mature as the ones used for stocks. But in any case, take it for what it is. It does show extreme fear, and you can feel some overselling in the crypto market to a certain extent. In general, I still think that crypto is a little expensive, but it is getting into the buy zone, I think, and there are some opportunities opening up, especially for me. I'm looking at Ethereum. So in any case, this is quite low. It's probably been one of the lowest I've seen. So those are the fear and greed indexes for stocks and crypto. What are you doing with your portfolio? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a great day.